Hello friends to the feet drawing class. Keep up step if you want to pass. Level up your meandering scrolls. Let's first set up by drawing balls. Ankle and heel are the balls of choice to form the triangle base. Now plot the toes and all rejoice. We now have a plan to trace. The ankle is made of two sticks spry, the fibula and the tibia bones. Like inner thigh, the inner is high. Now let's move on to the toes. That arc of your foot is like a cupped hand, leading to your grippers. Use a fancy R from where the toes land. Let's get ready with the clippers. Construct the toes like bobbly head with long and scrawny neck. The big toe has a bit more girth with a head that looks like a Toes have round tips and also round joints. Like the thumb, the big toe has one less. Everyone loves the index toe. Remember to nuzzle those necks. Underfoot, this angle is fine. Just remember to keep your balls in mind. Under heel or under toe, this is where the ball should go. That is where this poem ends, to give you all the gripper trends. Don't forget feet are as long as forearm, but now I must leave to report to HR.